Colo G CSTHE Colo GCS is the ultimate 7.1 to channel audio system built specifically for PC users who crave a fully immersive gaming or movie experience. What sets it apart is its true overhead audio channels that create a full 360 sound field, making footsteps, gunshots, and ambient effects feel incredibly real. Designed to fit seamlessly with gaming chairs, the system comes equipped with 11 high-resolution speakers, offering powerful sound with rich, deep bass. With 10 independent audio channels, you can pinpoint every direction your in-game enemies are coming from. Despite its power, it only takes 5 minutes to install and saves over 30 square meters of space. It's also console compatible, making it the perfect setup for any gaming environment. Level Lock Plus brings a new level of smart security to your front door without any of the bulky tech look. This Apple HomeKeys compatible smart lock lets you unlock your door simply by tapping your iPhone or Apple Watch, with seamless integration into Apple HomeKit and support for both iOS and Android. It's one of the most accessible smart locks on the market. Installation is simple and discreet. There are no visible signs of electronics from the outside or inside. A CR2 battery powers the lock, which is easy to swap when needed. You can even share digital keys with friends and family directly through the app, making secure access easier than ever. GoVRGBIC Smart Table Lamp. To the GoVRGBIC Smart Table Lamp 2 is a vibrant lighting solution packed with personality. Featuring 64 unique scene modes, this lamp connects with Matter, Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. It's touch-sensitive, allowing users to simply tap the top to turn it on or off. The translucent design gives it a futuristic appearance, while the dimmable RGB lighting sets the mood for gaming, reading, or relaxing. Thanks to Govi's Smart app, you can sync the lamp with your music, making it pulse and change colors and rhythm with your favorite tracks. It's perfect as a nightlight, decor centerpiece, or accent lamp. Illicolik is more than a toy, it's your expressive new desk buddy. This little desktop robot is loaded with lifelike emotions, gestures, and animations, making interactions feel natural and fun. With touch sensors on its head, belly, and back, it responds to your affection and reacts to various forms of attention. When paired with other Illik robots, it displays dynamic social behavior, creating drama or friendship as they talk and interact. Frequent firmware updates bring new content and reactions, ensuring the bot is always learning and evolving. An adorable addition to any workspace, and a great introduction to AI companionship. DecaKey is hard drive enclosure. The DecaKey hard drive enclosure is your plug-and-play solution for fast storage upgrades without cracking open your desktop. It supports M2 NVMe SSDs up to 2 TB and boasts lightning-fast 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds. Its magnetic design allows for easy SSD swaps without tools, and it's compatible with USB-C-enabled devices like laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The Hot Plug protection system ensures your data remains safe when switching drives. Whether you're backing up files or transferring large media libraries, DecaKey makes high-speed external storage seamless and portable without any tech headaches. Insta360 Ace Pro and Ace the Insta360 Ace Pro is a leap forward in action camera technology, co-engineered with Leica. It features a large 1.3-inch sensor for capturing breathtaking footage in all lighting conditions. With support for 4K resolution at 120 frames per second and a built-in AI chip, the Ace Pro delivers stunningly clear and sharp images. Its 2.4-inch flip touchscreen lets you monitor shots from any angle, and the waterproof design ensures you're covered even in extreme environments. Whether you're recording slow-motion sports footage or HDR cinematic shots, the Insta360 Ace Pro is built to exceed your expectations with smart features and rugged design. Llano Volt Case. The Llano Volt Case combines 3 essential functions into one sleek storage unit. With a 10,400 mAh battery capacity, it serves as a high-speed 2OW power bank while doubling as an SD 4.0 card reader. It's designed for creators, especially photographers and videographers who need portable power and fast data access. The built-in LED display shows real-time power status. Now, the rugged case keeps your memory cards and batteries secure even in challenging conditions. It operates in a wide temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making it an essential tool whether you're shooting in freezing snow or desert heat. June. Smooth 5S AIS is a next-generation smartphone gimbal for content creators who need cinematically velocity. It features a magnetic fill light with customizable brightness and a 360 rotation mechanism that smoothly tracks your movements. With built-in AI capabilities, it can recognize and follow faces or objects automatically. The gimbal allows for single-hand operation with intuitive controls for switching between modes, adjusting lighting, and managing angles on the fly. Whether you're filming action sequences or vlogging on the go, the Smooth 5S AI keeps your footage stable, sharp, and dynamic. Lumi Mini is a compact, effective light therapy lamp that brings sunshine into your home, literally. Delivering 10,000 lux of brightness, it mimics natural daylight to improve mood, boost energy, and regulate your body's sleep-wake cycle. At only 4.7 inches wide, it's easy to place on a desk or nightstand, making it ideal for office workers or anyone battling the winter blues. Just 30 to 60 minutes of exposure daily can significantly help reset your circadian rhythm, enhance focus, and reduce fatigue. Its portable size makes it perfect for travel or use throughout the house. ZenSlabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle. The ZenSlabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle is a professional-grade drawing solution for artists and designers. It comes with a 12-inch tablet, 2 battery-free pens with customizable buttons, and a quick keys remote with 40 programmable functions. The old display provides real-time feedback on shortcut assignments, making it easier to switch tools on the fly. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. The tablet's curved ergonomic design reduces wrist tension and supports a natural drawing posture. With ultra-responsive input and precision, it's tailored for creators who need performance, comfort, and flexibility in a wireless tablet setup. WaterH Boost Smart Water Bottle. The WaterH Boost Smart Water Bottle is here to keep you hydrated and motivated. This 32-ounce, vacuum-insulated stainless steel bottle connects to your smartphone and reminds you to drink water throughout the day. Every sip earns you reward points that can be redeemed for discounts on merchandise, turning hydration into a fun and rewarding routine. The ring light indicator on the lid changes colors to show your hydration status at a glance. It's the perfect solution for those who forget to drink water during a busy day. It's promoting healthy habits through technology and gamification. Zark Electric Screwdriver Set. The EZ-ARC Electric Screwdriver Set brings power and precision to the palm of your hand. This 181-piece kit features a compact electric screwdriver with 3 torque settings and manual override, making it perfect for delicate electronic repairs. It spins at 190 RPM and runs for up to 200 minutes on a single charge of its 500 mAh. Battery. Over 260 screw bits are supported, making it ideal for phones, laptops, gaming consoles, and more. You can even use the tool while charging, ensuring uninterrupted work. It's the ultimate DIY tech repair companion. Charge Ice Mag 2. The Charge Ice Mag 2 is a powerful, MagSafe compatible power bank with a twist active cooling. It features a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, 1.5W magnetic wireless charging, and a built-in transparent kickstand. The fan-based cooling system keeps temperatures in check while delivering fast. 2-way wired charging up to 30 West, powerful enough for laptops like the MacBook Air. With a magnetic hold rated at 2.24 pounds, your phone stays securely attached, even during movement, whether you prefer portrait or landscape orientation. This power bank lets you keep using your phone hands-free while it charges, all in a slick, futuristic design.